Hello, welcome to another daily conversations lesson. Don't forget to repeat after us. Let's get started. Why isn't Jack with us today? Why isn't Jack with us today?
I have just called him. I have just called him. He said he wasn't feeling well. He said he wasn't feeling well. I'm sure he wanted to be here today. I'm sure he wanted to be here today.
I missed him so much. I missed him so much.
When was the last time you saw him? When was the last time you saw him?
About 2 years ago, at a party. About 2 years ago, at a party. He is a great person. He is a great person.
We'll meet him next week anyways. We'll meet him next week anyways.
Have you been doing anything exciting lately? Have you been doing anything exciting lately?
Yes, I have. I started learning Portuguese last month. Yes, I have. I started learning Portuguese last month.
How do you like it so far? How do you like it so far?
Learning a new language is always exciting. Learning a new language is always exciting.
I saw Keanu Reeves on the subway yesterday. I saw Keanu Reeves on the subway yesterday.
Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him?
Yes, I did. He was so kind. Yes, I did. He was so kind. We talked about the Matrix. We talked about the Matrix.
What did you do last night? What did you do last night?
I read a book then went to sleep. I read a book then went to sleep. What about you? What about you?
I taught my sister algebra. I taught my sister algebra.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.